set of gripping box jump overs already.
Lane number 4, Team Rockers. Lane number 14, Team Bacchanals. Yes, do not blink because this is super fast. Second round of Gripping box jump overs, 2 minutes on the clock.
The first 4 teams on the floor separated by only 1 rep. Keep your eyes down at the second portion of the competition for the center lanes. Are your leaders right now?
And we have our leaders here on the floor, lane number 14, Riders. Right behind them, lane number 14, Team Bacchanals, lane number 15, and